welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see the perfect dish for this hot summer, which is a curd rice. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Let's get started. Let's see the ingredients for this delicious recipe. Today, I've taken about 1 bowl of rice, which is boiled and cooled. Let's add the rice into a mixer jar. Now, let's add sufficient milk. This is a boiled and cooled milk. The rice has to be completely immersed in the milk, like this. Now, let's add about 250 ml of fresh curd, which is a homemade curd. Now, let's add sufficient salt. Today I'm adding about 1 teaspoon of salt, and let's grind it into a paste. Don't make it into a fine paste, it has to be a coarse paste. Now, take a pan. Into the pan, let's add about 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, let's add about 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of urad dal. When the urad dal is nice and golden brown, let's take about 2-inch size of ginger, which is crushed, and add it into the oil. This gives a nice flavor to the curd rice. Now let's add about 2 large onions, which is finely chopped, some curry leaves, and 1 green chili, which is cut into small pieces. Now stir fry it for about 2 minutes till the onions becomes nice and opaque. Now let's add about half a teaspoon of asafoetida powder. This is very good for digestion and also for gas trouble. Now, when the onions are nice and opaque, let's switch off the flame and keep it aside. Now you can see that our rice, curd and milk mixture is ready. It should not be too thick. It should be in a dosa batter consistency. Now let's transfer the ginger onion chili mixture into the curd rice and mix everything thoroughly. Check the seasoning and add a little more salt if necessary. So finally, let's garnish our curd rice with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. We can also garnish it with some fresh grapes or even pomegranate seeds and serve it immediately. So that's it, friends. Our delicious curd rice is absolutely ready. It's also a great lunchbox recipe. Hope you like this video. All our videos are available in English and Tamil. You can choose whichever one is comfortable for you. So see you all soon with another interesting recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.